In 15th, we start to develop some drivers for smart bus. And first of all, we try to make drivers for Crestron. And in this year, we develop drivers. When we make our project using G4, we search that for some simple and comfortable interface. Also, it must be universal for iOS and Android. Our customers are all unique, and all of them need unique interface. So we found Iridium. Iridium Mobile, this is our friends from Russia. They develop soft for visualization, home equipment for some devices like light, AC, shades, and TV. This soft called Iridium Studio. There you could create amazing interfaces just using drag and drop. After that, you download interface to internet, and your customer just download it from internet to his device. So you don't need to visit him. So Iridium, it is a multi-platform and multi-protocol. It has a lot of protocols. It can control backup, Modbus, KNX, IMX, and Philips Hue, and other systems. But they don't have smart bus G4, and we make that. We developed this driver, so you could now use it in your site. SBIridium, it is a complex of drivers, which allows you to use all power of smart bus G4 and flexibility of Iridium. For example, if you have one room flat, you install their Zone Beast Mix23, Z Audio, and for example LED driver, and take our drivers. Then customer could install their any Internet of Things device, like TV, like AC, or something like that, and you also can control it from this Iridium user interface. So here you can see some screenshots from user interface, as they're all customizable. You can move any button and everything you want. You have here buttons, color pickers, sliders. You can slide whole interface, everything you want. It can be landscape and portrait for all devices, all scales. So about smart bus and Iridium. Now we have almost all devices we could control from Iridium: dimmers, relays, sensors, clock controller, 4T module, mixes, IR meters, LEDs, and Z audio. All is working perfectly. And if you need something more, just say us, we add them. About prices. On our site, you could see 3 types of licenses. They difference only in how many panels you could use on your site. One control panel is starter license, and the advanced for 10 panels. If you need another site or another project, home, flat, you need buy another license. Because license attaches to the project. And of course, we have great discount for our partners. If you use this promo that you see in purchasing, you will have very great discount. And in the end, I want to say that also we understand that some of you need some help in making interfaces. So if you need this help, just ask us. We will try to help you to create some interfaces. Let's go to second part. First of all, you need to go to site iridiummobile.net. There you could go to start using. First step, you need to register. When you're registering, you need to use the promo that I give you already. We will repeat it in group. Then you need to download Iridium components for PC. It's Iridium Studio, this big download button. Also, you could here download here JS models, JavaScript models for Coolmaster or EK, Kramer or Philips Hue. Here you can also download some interfaces, templates. You just download them, and it is very easy to use them when you create your own project. Some of them are need to pay, like this one. So you download Iridium Studio, then you go to our site SBIridium.com to download section and take the last SBIridium driver. So after all that, you need to open Iridium Studio. Let me do this. Here we are. I already make 2 pages. Main page and page for mix and LED is just graphic, nothing else. So first of all, about Iridium Studio. Here you can see the tab for elements like buttons, color pickers, text labels, sliders, and triggers, whatever. Also here you can see the gallery. From gallery you could take some great pictures for buttons, like here in mix I use pre-installed climate. Yeah, just take this picture and nothing else. Yes, and yes. So in gallery, a lot of pictures. Use them. It is very simple to just take them and put to the project. Next one is project overview. Gallery, project overview. These pages, in Iridium we have pages and pop-up windows. On page, we put pop-up window. Usually we use in our projects 2 or 3 pages and show pop-up windows. For example, you use page that called main bedroom, and then pop-up control for light, pop-up control for climate or for TV, and hide the pop-up windows. Like we do this here. You could see main page and 2 pop-up windows. By these buttons, I list them. Can show you emulation here, and just change pop-up windows. So then object properties. Every object have 3 types of options. It's general properties, that name, position, height, etc. States for color, font size, text, all you need, and program relations. So these relations they made for feedbacks or for some relations between the buttons. Then for pressing, there's commands. For releasing, you could send command, or you can send command for holding or something else. So let's start to excuse me. From right, you could add device. You could see here device database. In Iridium, it is native drivers for these brands. You could see here IMX, Crystalron, Clipsal, etc. But no smart bus. To smart bus, we need to add. You must push this button, then attach button. Just choose a database you download from our site. Open, and you will see here. Here it is. Close. And here is our database. And project device panel. So you need to add our drivers to project device panel. Here you can see drivers. I just drag and drop network UDP for communication and choose the devices. So we already have 4Z and sensors, relays, all dimmers, DMX and LED for climate, mixes, and Z audio IR emitter. Let's add zone beast for this pop-up window to see how it is easy to control. And next is flat driver. You need to name them. Them short, because you need this name later. So we just MX23 and let. When you have a lot of devices, you just name them like in your project, like relay to the room 1 or LED in bathroom or something like that. And also, you need to put smart bus ID. I have subnet ID 1 and 14 ID smart bus for LED, and for mix 99. So we add devices. Let's go to mix. Here we have commands and feedbacks. Commands need to send some command to the device. Here you can see all commands: set value, switch on, switch off, and fan speed, modes. But to show this information, we need to use feedback. So dimmer feedback, channel 1, mode, and temperature. Feedbacks are only show information. And to send command, you need commands. So let's add commands to our project. Here we have switch off button, slider for dimming, switch on button, and let's show the percentage of the dimmer. This is $V. This is from Iridium GUI. You need to read it and use. So first of all, let's add feedbacks. Dimmer channel 1 to slider. in value and to the label text. The same for second channel. Just drag and drop. Sorry, feedback. Let's add also feedbacks for relays. Relay channel 4 here. 7. Unit. Also, you can hear relations here that we just added in all elements. It means that you link it. You could see this link, destination, level, and source. Drivers mix 23, dimmer channel 2. So you could change it or delete or whatever you need. So next, current temperature in room, clock temperature in value, set point in value. Here we make one set point for your comfort use, because in Smart Bus we have 3 set points: auto, cool, and heat. But our users, our customers don't want to see 3 set points on one screen. They just say, I want to see one set point, which I choose from down. So if you choose auto, you see here a set point for auto. If it is heat, so set point for heat. One great set point. And also let's link modes. Auto, cool, on, and heat. Don't take it. Hit. So, next, all is linked. Next commands. Set value. We put to slider, to release, and to movement. Also, we have some hint, because it is UDP communication, and when you move in slider, it will the light will blinking. So we suggest you to add here some delay, which you find here, delay, and put it before. So when your customer moves slider, light won't blink. You move here, wait, delay, and then you show the light. The same for other slider. Set value here, off, and let's add delay. Also, you can see here a lot of commands that you could use. For example, in main buttons, I see command for pop-up window, for hide window, for show window, and for some data. So we made commands for sliding. Now let's do commands for buttons, switch on and switch off. Switch on for pricing. Okay. Switch off. Second one, switch off. Switch on. Switch off. And for relays. For relays, you could see here switch. It means toggle. Switch on, switch off. You understand what it is. We have here toggle button. So let's toggle. And 7. Good. So for temperature, we need to move it up and down. Clock, set point plus and minus. Press, minus, and don't link. Yes. And also some command buttons for this row. Mode, set mode auto, okay. Set mode full, set mode on, set mode hit. Great. So all links are done. You could use others for your project, but that is the same. Next one is LED driver. Here you could see feedbacks, show page, feedbacks for and blue, green, red, and white. But in Iridium, you could use color picker and color presets. It is more user-friendly. So we don't put here 3 sliders or 4. So your customer need do it by himself. So it is communicated by scripts, and I will show it here. So we add drivers. We'll link, and let's make it out. We linked mix, and after that, you need to go to JavaScript. And here you need, close. Here you will see models, which you just added here. You add them and they appear here. But you need to add one more JavaScript, add new script. We call it main because it is executes when you start the program. When you turn on Iridium Pro on your phone or on your tablet, here you can see here we will put some comments that will be executed when it starts program and when you close the program. So when we close the program, it is not interesting for us. Just when we start in the program, we need to start communication with SmartBus. So you can go, you must put SmartBus and see the hints here. We put some hints for you. Just copy this command and put it here. And also some hints where. So I will call this variable as net. SmartBus G4 driver name must be the same as driver's name. So I just copy the name SmartBus. Here is the name of this driver and keys. Here you must put keys that we send to you. We ask him to send you HWIT number of the panel. It is iPad or iPhone or Android device. All have HWIT. It is unique. You send them to us, and we give you keys. Now we don't put any key, and it will work 5 minutes. After it, you must restart the program. So we open communication, and now we must start using mix. Also push mix and see the hint here. Very great help. Just copy and paste here Name it like you want, mix 23 or mix 23 number 1 or number 2, whatever. Here must be the name of this, name of communication. If you have two communications and make communications which you call as SBInet 1 or 2, be carefully by naming right communication number. Driver name, also see here, mix23. Mix23. Subnet ID, just like here. Subnet ID 1, device ID 99. Units, let me see, help. Units for Celsius or Fahrenheit. We use in Russia Celsius, so 0. And remember control, it's for dimming. When you push button turn off, it will remember the light level, and when you push button turn on, it will turn on to the exact level. For example, you make level 25, push button off, then on, it will be 25. I will show you. So let me put here 1. So great, mix is connected. Let's see. K relation. Here our panel. So this is from our demo stand, which you see in photo in group. This is our level of first channel, second channel, some relay status, current temperature. It's very hot here. Set point and modes. So first of all, light. You could change the level. Something wrong. I didn't connect something. We just, let's find it, what I forgot to do. Next one is the same problem. I will see it. Relays, turn on, turn off. Temperature you see, current set point, plus, minus, modes, for fun, for heat 24, for fun is 23, for cooling is 18, for fun let's do, can't be, for fun we can do set point, yes, auto, 24. So let's see what's the problem with LED. Here we need to see driver channel 1 dimmer, send set value, and set value to dimmer 1, mix command set value. Everything must be correct. Maybe just let's delete this and make one more. Let's see, radio button dot need slider. Oh, not colorful. One more, add connections, set value, release and move, and feedback demo channel 1. In value, let's see also here, channel 1 think it's correct. So let's see. Add some move. Delay. Let's see it. Save. Later. Downloading. No, some problem. Let me see after at the end of the presentation what is with this slider. I will return here. So about LED driver, we need to add LED driver. Also here we need to see some hint. LED copy. Call it. Sorry for my Russian language. Net driver name, copy from here. Let subnet 1, device ID 14. So here we also need to communicate with color picker, because in driver we only have commands like blue, green, red, and white, and we want to choose from the color wheel. So we must put here. Also see in the hints attach color picker. So we must to this variable say let point attach color picker item, and we have here 4 presets and 1 color box. Let's add them all. Just copy this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Copy command from the hint. Delete other stuff, presets, and color box, the last one. So now we put commands, but we need to link this command, this variable to this button and to these buttons and to this color picker. So here you need to, in general, put the name color picker or whatever you must, color picker 23 or color picker room, color picker bedroom, bed, okay, and color preset 1 bed, and etc. And also the status. So you need to put the name for all this stuff. Go to JavaScript. Here item must be. See here is Iridium script helper, which helps you to write scripts. Go to graphic user interface plus. It is flat. Find our color picker. Color picker bed. Yes, and just double tap here. You see the code. You only must change this, and it is not page, it is pop-up. So repeat two other items: color preset, pop-up LED, color bed. Next one is called color 2, color 3, and color 4, and also our color box. So just delete this and put it here. And remove page and put pop-up. Copy to make it faster. Copy another one word. And the last. That's all. We add native color picker. Okay, and just start them. I believe it will work. Here you can see status already done. Let current status. Just choose green. Current status is green already. Red, pink, blue, and let's use color presets: yellow, blue, pink, and green. So blue, orange, yellow, what you need. So it is great, it works, but don't work later. I think that this is problem of our mix, because it is working. I see that let me see here. Commands, set value. Okay. Somewhere to set values. Let's delete them. Yes. Yes. So no set value. And we have channels here. Great. Let's draw them. You just can see how I draw elements. Like this one, I choose spider. Oh, it's level. Yes, correct. Spider. Spider. Set value. Release and move. Okay. Send command to channel 1. Channel 1 you could see here. Channel 1 and some delay. Okay. And feedback. One moment, I just I need to do it again. No, I could. Here is the answer. Here is one more time. Level, image in value, and command set value, send command. We need to use send token for release and move. The into movement at play. Okay. Okay. Token is some element which we send to driver. We don't send numbers, we send tokens. Let's see how it is working. Now you could see it is working correct. 19, 60, 76. Let's turn it off. On 76. It is what I am saying in JavaScript. If you put here 1, it will remember the state. Let me delete. Yes. Let me draw second one. Second one, command for dinner channel status, and token. Okay. Add some delay. Oh, don't push it. Yeah. Okay, and feedback. So, let's start. So, mix with 2 dimming groups. Can turn off. 75. Release, temperature, and LED with great color picker. The second part is off. So, if you have any questions, just put them in our WhatsApp group. I try to answer them now, or you could answer questions after, and we answer them. Also, we will put there and to our site materials. You can download this project, what we have done. So, if you have any questions, just ask them.